Are you tired of creating Facebook ads that just don't seem to work? Are you struggling to see any success with your advertising efforts on the platform? It can be frustrating, right? You put in all that time and effort only to see little to no return on your investment. It's a feeling that many of us can relate to. But don't worry, there is hope. In this video, we'll share some tips and tricks to help you create Facebook ads that actually work and bring in the results you want. You're struggling to create successful Facebook ads. But don't worry, we've got some solutions for you. Follow these 10 steps to create engaging and effective ads on Facebook. Step 1. Identify your target audience. Use Facebook's Audience Insights tool to learn more about your potential customers. You can find out their age, location, interests, and more. Make a buyer persona to learn more about the wants and needs of your target audience. Step 2. Choose the right ad format. Experiment with different ad formats, such as carousel ads, video ads, and sponsored posts. Use the ad format that best aligns with your business goals and target audience. Step 3. Create compelling ad copy. Use action verbs and make your ad copy benefit-driven. Test different ad copy to see what works best. Step 4. Use eye-catching images or videos. Use high-quality images or videos that grab attention and showcase your product or service. Don't use stock photos because they might not work as well as your own photos or videos. Step 5. Use a strong call to action. Use a clear and compelling call to action to tell your audience what you want them to do. Test different calls to action to see what works best for your business. Step 6. Set a budget and bid strategy. Determine how much you're willing to spend on your ad campaign and set a budget accordingly. Choose the right bid strategy for your business goals. Step 7. Use targeting options. Use Facebook's targeting options to reach the right audience. You can target by location, age, interests, behaviors, and more. Experiment with different targeting options to see what works best for your business. Step 8. Use A/B testing. Use A/B testing to compare different versions of your ad and see which one performs better. Test different elements of your ad, such as the ad copy, image, and targeting options. Step 9. Monitor and optimize your ad performance. Use Facebook's ad analytics to track your ad's performance and make adjustments as needed. Optimize your ad based on the data you gather from your ad analytics. Step 10. Use retargeting. Use retargeting to show ads to people who have visited your website or interacted with your business on Facebook. Use retargeting to bring people back to your website or to encourage them to make a purchase. We've covered some great tips for creating successful ads on Facebook, but we've got some extra little known secrets to share with you in this next section. These tips are guaranteed to take your ads to the next level. Use high-quality images and graphics. This might seem like a no-brainer, but it's amazing how many people neglect to use high-quality visuals in their ads. Make sure to use clear, well-lit images that are visually appealing and relevant to your ad's message. Test different ad copy. It's important to experiment with different ad copies to see what works best for your target audience. Try out different headlines, calls to action, and messages to see which ones get the most clicks. Use the right targeting. Make sure you're targeting the right people with your ads. Use Facebook's extensive targeting options to reach the right audience and increase the chances of your ad being seen by people who are most likely to take action. Use video ads. Video ads can be highly effective on Facebook, especially if they're well produced and engaging. Consider using video to showcase your product or service in a more dynamic way. In conclusion, we've gone over the struggles of creating successful ads on Facebook and provided you with actionable steps and tips on how to create great, engaging ads. We've also shared some little-known secrets to help take your ads to the next level. Remember to always keep testing and analyzing your ads to see what works best for your business. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell to get notified when we drop a new video.